Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce activity timeline after deleting engagement history step by step clearly. To restore the Salesforce activity timeline after deleting engagement history, first, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher by clicking on the grid icon in the upper left corner. In the app launcher, type activities in the search bar and select activities from the drop-down list. Once you're on the activities page, check if the deleted engagement history is displayed in the list. If not, go to the Recycle bin by clicking on the All Items tab in Salesforce. In the Recycle bin, locate the deleted engagement history items. Use the search bar in the Recycle bin to quickly find specific activities if needed. Once you've found the items you want to restore, select each one by clicking the checkbox beside them. After selecting the items, click the Restore button at the top of the Recycle bin page. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the restoration. Click OK to confirm that you want to restore the selected items. After restoring, return to the Activities page to verify that the engagement history has been successfully restored. If the items still do not appear, try refreshing the page or logging out and back into Salesforce. You may also want to check your user permissions to ensure you have the rights to view restored items. If problems persist, consult your Salesforce administrator for further assistance. Follow these steps to efficiently restore your Salesforce activity timeline and regain access to important engagement history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.